Welcome to this quick video which will help you use your equity curve to understand whether you are improving as a trader or not. Everyone wants a upsloping equity curve, but when you are a bad trader, you're just starting out, you're making mistakes, your equity curve will be sloping down. But then as you start improving, some specific changes will happen to that equity curve which will tell you exactly how you're improving in your trading. Want to find out how? Watch this quick video till the end. And also, give this video a thumbs up, the algorithm likes it. You come to this day, you make a small loss. You come to this day, there is no trade. You come to this day, you take a trade, it is giving you profit, and then you take another trade, and that gives you loss. Maybe you shorted here, made money, and then again you shorted here, made a loss. So it's kind of a scratch day. Now, what you will realize is like over a period of time, you might get these kinds of days, small losses, no trade, some profit then loss and all those kinds of things. And what you will realize is that if this is where you started and you made some losses, and this is your equity curve and this is the zero line, so you are under, you are losing money, and then suddenly what will happen, you will see your equity curve going flat. So sometimes you make money, sometimes you lose money, but now you're not breaking new ground, the trend has turned flat, and then slowly it will start recovering, then you will get a big down day. Why? Because these small profits will give you some confidence, that some confidence gets into overconfidence and you make a mistake, and then suddenly you realize, okay, what mistake you did earlier, this would have just given you frustration. Okay, I was doing good, I thought I have cracked the code, why this big loss? But this time it won't happen. Why? Because you have gone through this process of improving, reducing your mistake. Then you made some good decisions and now you have made a bad one, you lost. Now, instead of getting frustrated, you get excited. Why? Because now at this point, okay, your position sizing was wrong. Oh, you know that, yes, we did not wait for confirmation, right? And okay, I misread the time frame. So you will have 1 2 3 4 reasons. Who is giving you these reasons? That is coming from CTF. So now the CTF has given you some reasons, and that will make you excited after making this loss. And when that happens, that is the first real sign of a very lasting change coming up, a big change in your trading going forward. And then again you start going higher, maybe some losses here, and then you come to break even, right? And then slowly but surely you will progress and your equity curve will improve. But these things are very necessary. You cannot just expect to learn a setup and start making money. Thank you for watching this video till the end. The trick I shared with you, I hope you found it useful. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next